Alright, let's get started. So, today I have a brand new video for you guys, and I have a great idea. So, here's the idea. So, whenever I have to start a new VS Code project, a project in VS Code, I have to make the folder. Then I have to maybe do my git inits, open GitHub. It's a lot of work. Point is, and then I have to open VS Code in that folder. So, I will create a script to automate this process. And the best part about the script, I think, is you can modify it very easily to do your own, make it your own, add your Git init portions, everything. Um, so I will give you a bare bones script that today that will create a folder with the project name that you would like. Then it will open VS Code in that folder, and this is going to be a super easy short script. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, let's just create a path variable. Oh, I like this. I like the skin. Okay, so our path for today will be here. So in this folder on my computer, I will be storing my projects. Okay, and before that, let's just do our import statements. The usual when we're working with our computer: import OS, import sys. Okay, and yeah, let's get started. So here's what I envisioned. Oh, that's the script. Okay, so here's what I envisioned. On the command line, this command line right here, we will write command python cpvs.py. By the way, you need a Python file and a batch file for this project. And then I want to write an argument right here. Like for example, if I want to call my project code talks, it will do this thing. It will create a folder called Code Talks and open VS Code and Code Talks. So yeah, we're gonna make that happen. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna create a temp variable. Here's y, and we'll make it equal to sys.argv, and then this will return a list of arguments. And if we type in this on the command line, it will return this is the first argument, this is the second. Wait, sorry, this is the zero, index zero. This is 1, this is 2. So this would have 3 total arguments. So you want everything including the second and after, so we could just do 1 colon. And then we want to check if there is something in 1 colon, so if the length is greater than 0. So if the length of temp, I think we could just do if temp. Test it out. Open a new PowerShell, Python, and then we'll make like a variable called t equal to 1, 2, 3, and then let's do if t. T. No, I'll have to do the whole thing. Can I do if t print hi? I'll have to do the quotes. Okay, so we can do if t, and then but let's say t equals to this, and we do this. It shouldn't print out anything. Okay, so we can just do if length, if temp. Okay, that's good that I thought of that. So we need a colon here, and then here's what we're gonna do. For we'll just say arg in temp. So for all of the elements in temp, we want to create a variable up here called project name. Project name is just gonna be empty string for now, and we're gonna add so project name plus equals arg and a space. Okay, and then if temp is empty, else we are just gonna do project name equals input. No command line arg found, um, enter project name. Okay, that is good, simple and easy. Okay, then since we added a space, there's going to be an extra space, so we will do project project name equals project name dot strip, and then actually I don't want spaces either, so I'm just gonna do a replace just in case. Enter spaces. I make those mistakes all the time. So replace all spaces, we'll just say with dashes. Okay, so we're good, and then we could just do and now we have to make the folder. So to make the folder, we just do os.makedir, I think that's it. And then we'll just do os.path.join path, and and we will do project name. Okay, so that will create the folder, and then what we would like to do, we don't want this then. Then what we need to do is we need to pass this project name variable into this opencode.batch script. So how we'll do that is os.put env. So we're going to create an environment variable here, and we'll call it name. I think there should be a better way to do this, but it's fine. This seems like the easiest. So we'll pass project name. And then to run the batch script, we could either use the subprocess module or just do os.system. And this will just execute the script in the command line. Execute open code.bat. So that is good for our Python part. And now you want to create a batch file, same folder, and just write this simple one-liner. When this is starting, open VS Code in this folder. It's as simple as that, and open it in this folder, and name is that environment variable we created. So when you run this script from the terminal, so let's just go to our nice little PowerShell, and we do Python cpvs.py, and we create code talks. It will create a dash here and open VS Code in that folder. So cpvs. I did not type that properly. cpvs.py. What is it? Cannot create a file. Code talks. Cannot in scripts. Python scripts. Code talks. Oh, does that file already exist? Okay, actually, this is a good point in the video to do the following. We should probably do a try catch here just to try except, because I feel like that's going to happen to a lot of people. So we'll do file, not catch, except file exists error as f, then just say this, just print out this folder exists, script is terminating. So we could put this in a while loop, but I don't know, I don't really feel like it. Or we could actually, you know what, let's just do it. So we'll do a while, just an infinite loop. And then once, if we make it break, and then otherwise, this folder already exists. Okay, and then here we will delete this part and then we will like copy this, okay, and then put this here, and then let's just do enter a new project name. Okay, and now this should work beautifully. Okay, so let us run the same command from PowerShell. This folder already exists, enters a new project name, and then I'll just write test, and it's gonna open it in this folder. And you can see it's open in a test folder. So if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know if you want me to show you guys how to make scripts that does the git init, open GitHub, everything for you. But yeah, please comment down below what you'd like to see next. Thank you very much. And I have some machine learning videos coming out soon, so yeah, stay tuned.